Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another episode. In this video, we're going to cover the different types of gutters. Guys, there's a lot of different types of gutters out there. The most recognizable type these days is the aluminum type gutter. The other is the vinyl or the plastic guttering you would find at your local hardware stores for a DIY installation. Although we do not recommend that type of installation for a DIY. Click this link above to learn how to professionally install gutters with the recommended material. Just click right there. Subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification, get notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to like and share the video, guys. The many different types of gutters that are out there, you have the plastic, the PVC, you have the aluminum, which is the most common, you have the galvanized metal, you have the copper, you have the steel. They're going to be the more common types of gutters that are out there on the market. They are the most common types of gutters out there that you'll hear, or the options that you'll have to have installed. Like I said, the aluminum is king with gutter installations. The second option, you would go to copper if you were looking for that type of look on your home. And then you have the different types like 5K, half round, box gutter, many different designs of the gutter system itself. And now recently they've come out with it's like an art gutter installation. You can Google search it or YouTube search it, but basically it's a 5K style gutter. There's gutter machine manufacturers that are coming out with gutter art, where you get a 5K gutter and they put this little bit of a stamp on the front of the gutter that puts a design on the front of the gutter, and there's multiple choices you can get stamped onto that gutter. So that's something new coming out into the market. It's a gutter art, and some of the manufacturers are making that for the 5K gutter. So that's basically it, guys. Hopefully I covered that, kind of schooled you a little bit on the types of gutters that are out there on the market and the types of material that the gutters will come in. Guys, on this channel, you are gonna learn more about gutters than you thought you'd ever wanna know, but I'm gonna try to make it fun. Listen, guys, let's make gutters great again. How are we gonna do that, guys? By learning about gutters and learning about all the exact details about the gutter products and how to install gutters professionally, guys. That's what I'm gonna give you guys on this channel. How to install gutters professionally, and you're going to get schooled on the professional material, guys. All right, if you like what you see, subscribe to that channel, hit the little bell notification, get notified every time that I post a video. Guys, don't forget to tell YouTube that you like my content, you like my videos. Hit the little thumbs up and share the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys.